So this is the Wheeler. It's a 1983 Honda ATC. We're gonna be putting the lift kit on her, front and rear. Working on getting the tires off so I can get her in the basement. Get better lighting down there. As you see, chain broke while I was riding it. After I just put in the new sprocket. But we're gonna get a new back sprocket. Big. Have to give me suggestions on what should I do. And do the Swamp Outlaw, I think 6-inch lift with 30-inch tires. Full restoration. So we've been taking these plastics, which are in decent shape. They're just painted a little bit. We got some cracks in here, some cracks back here. We'll be filling those holes, cutting those, and we need a plastic welder. It's a cheap one. Plastic weld those back, fill those holes with caulking or Bondo, whatever we end up filling those holes with. This is the seat I made a while ago. It's getting old now, it's starting to rip. Let's see. You know, I've never looked at the serial number on the front of this. Never even tried to find it. I just was told it was a 83. It might be 82. We'll have to find it when we break her down. Alright. We'll get more. This is the headlight came with. Thing's actually pretty bright. It might turn on. Let's see. It's the battery. Let's the kill switch at the back. Oh, there it went. Yeah, there it went. This thing's always worked. It's a bright one. This is my flashlight. That's that. It's not too bright, but it's good. The battery's dead. Everything's froze up. The throttle's froze. Brakes froze. This has to be cleaned out. Last I knew it had a little leak to it too. Especially out through the top. The top should be easy fix. We'll just get a new gasket for the inside. But the bottom, we'll have to get in here and close the pinch weld on one of these sides. It was leaking out of, I think it's this side. Some air box. We're gonna put a snorkel on her too, so we can keep her in deep, deep water. I went inside the chain locks and I had some right here. What am I doing? So yeah, this is part 1.